Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to change language on Paxful. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open your Paxful application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are, from the main home page, go to the account button that appears at the lower right hand corner and give it a tap. From the account section, you should be able to see an option that says language right under change password. Give it a tap and you'll get to select from the bunch of languages displayed on the next screen. Simply select your preferred language and give it a tap. In the pop-up that asks you if you want to change your language, tap on restart since you'll need to restart the application in order to confirm your language change. Soon after you restart your system, you'll be able to change your language for Paxful. That was how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.